Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a phone from your Toyota Sienna's Bluetooth system. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked. Then, access the multimedia display and navigate to the Setup or Settings menu. This is usually found on the main screen. From there, you'll look for the Bluetooth options to begin the process. It's a straightforward task. Once you are in the Bluetooth settings, you will see an option for paired devices or registered devices. Tap on this to view all the phones currently connected to your Sienna. Carefully scroll through the list and select the particular phone you want to remove. Make sure you choose the correct one before proceeding to the next step. After selecting the phone, you should see an option to delete or remove the device. Tap this option. The system will then display a confirmation message asking if you are sure you want to unregister the phone. Confirm your choice to finalize the deletion. This action will permanently disconnect the selected phone from your vehicle's Bluetooth. To verify the phone has been successfully deleted, simply go back to the paired devices list. The removed phone should no longer appear there. You are now free to pair a new device or simply leave the slot open. Remember, always perform these adjustments while your Toyota Sienna is safely parked to ensure your full attention is on the screen.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.